All the material is cut beautiful. All is cut beautiful on here. Because this one machine, we have the computer program system. We can setting the different data. We can setting 100 remember data, different size on the right touch screen. After you setting the size, and we can start to cut the paper. Some people, they want to cut the smallest one, also is good, also is no problem. And this one is Chinese brand, 1150 size. 1150 size, we already make sure no problem. Okay, and this cutter paper machine is famous brand in China. We already installed the touchscreen computer program system, and we can setting the different data, different size on the right touchscreen. You can install our factory's the new version. The computer program system is our factory produced, so you can install on everything cutter paper machine is no problem. You can install on everything Chinese brand, Korea brand, Germany brand, all different cutter paper machine. Also, you can install the touchscreen